everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another video, and in this video right here, this is going to be a review, okay? And I'm super excited to do this video because I ordered this item way back in April and I just now received it, and I definitely want to go ahead and review this item because this is definitely something that can be a game changer. All right, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So we're going to be reviewing the Afro head wrap. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys the video that I saw on Instagram back in April that made me want to purchase this item. All right. So just to let you guys know, this video is not sponsored. I did pay for this item with my own money, and this is definitely going to be a real customer review. Just letting you guys know what my experience was and just giving you guys my honest opinion about this item, all right? So just to go ahead and get into some details, I did purchase this item on April 23rd, and it was $35.58. And this is called the Serene Wrap Wig 2-in-1. And this is made out of Japanese synthetic hair. So I paid $35.58, and then I paid $8.99 for shipping. So my total was $44.57. So, you know, that's kind of, to me, pricey for a synthetic item, but keep in mind, you're getting a complete hairstyle within a minute or two. So I think that that's definitely worth it. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the shipping time. I did place my order on April 23rd. The item was shipped out on April 24th, but I did not receive the item until June 10th. Okay, so that is literally like a month and a half time that it took for me to get the item. So I'm just letting you guys know right away that if you do place this order, do not expect to receive the item anytime soon. It's going to be like a month to a month and a half. And I was to the point where I was going to do a PayPal claim because it was just taking entirely too long, because their website says that you'll receive the item between, I think, 15 and 20 days or something like that. So I was well beyond that time. Okay, so generally things do take long when they're coming from China. But again, their website states that you should receive your item within 15 to 20 days of it being shipped, and that did not happen for me, all right? Now, they did provide me with the tracking number, and the tracking number was no good. Like, it was pretty much useless. It didn't really keep me updated, and it didn't even tell me when my item was delivered. So I would say that the tracking number is useless. Like I said, that's my experience. You may have a different experience. I'm just letting you guys know, what my experience was. Now I want to talk a little bit about the customer service. I did reach out to the company, and they did respond to me. I think it was like 24 hours later after I sent them a message via email. They did respond to me letting me know what was going on, and they also offered me a coupon and apologized for the delay. So they do have pretty good customer service from what I can see, but again, their shipping time is crazy long. So that would be the only thing that I would say about that. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how the item came. Okay guys, so here is how the item came. It comes in a nice little bag, and then on the bag they're giving you their website information, which is cool. So yeah, definitely comes packaged, in a nice way or whatever, so that's cool. And then when you open it up, then you're gonna get the item, and they do have multiple different styles you can choose on the website. You can choose, which one suits you. All right, so now I'm just going to take it out of the package, and when you take it out of the package, it does come with a net around it to protect the hair, so that's cool as well. Okay, so this is how it's looking. So this right here would be the front part, and then of course this is the wrap, and then this is the middle part. And so let's turn it around, and this is how it looks from the back. So you're going to have a drawstring right here, which is great because that's going to give you security. You won't have to worry about this slipping off or somebody being able to just pull this off of your head. So yeah, the quality of this wrap is really, really good. It's definitely thick. It's not, flimsy feeling or cheap feeling or anything like that. The quality of the hair feels good too. It doesn't even really feel like synthetic hair. Well, maybe just a little bit, but not too much. And it definitely doesn't have that synthetic shine, which is good. I think that this hair looks pretty good for it to be synthetic. So there's the inside, and on the inside you do have like a breathable mesh cap, which definitely won't get too hot, I don't think, in the summer months. So they definitely have a nice little cap there, and you can't too much really see through anything, so that's good as well. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and try this on straight out of the box and just show you guys how it looks, and then if we need to fix anything on it, we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I have my hair. You can wear this with like a wig cap, you can just wear your hair under it regular, however you want to do. I do have my hair back in a ponytail, and then I have a wig cap over it, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try this on.
In a couple weeks or so, yeah, I think we're doing pretty well, don't you think? Hey boo, I miss you, it's you. I know I can do better than she do. Your company is what I truly appreciate.
And just tuck this under, and it's very comfortable, so I don't even feel the need to you know, pull the drawstring or anything like that in the back. So that's pretty good. So this is how it's looking. I'm going to turn to each side and show you guys. So this is the back, and of course you can, you know, make your hair flatter or whatever, so you won't have anything bulky in the back or whatever. That's totally up to you. So this is the back. This is the other side. So this is how it's looking in the front. And I mean, I would say for it to be straight out of the package, this is all right, you know, but it definitely needs to be fixed up. So I'm thinking that I may need just maybe a spray bottle to fix this up. I may need some scissors. So if you are gonna have to do any fixing up to this, I think that these will be the only items that you need, if you even need them. I may be able to use my fingers to, you know, comb through or fluff through and fix it up the way that I like it. So I'm getting ready to do that right now.
Take me high. Let me teach you all the sounds of love. Late night text, late night call, steady on the phone. Been thinking about you up all night. You got me up all night long. It's been a couple weeks or so. Yeah, I think we're doing pretty well, don't you think? Hey boo, I miss you, it's you. I know I can do better than she do. Your company is what I truly appreciate. Your style, your steez, the way you look at me. My feelings catching up, don't wanna run away. Hey, hey, let's get some dinner and some drinks. Let's talk about our past, I'll go home till 3. Make these moments last, I'll be your homie, your love, and a friend, we go together.
Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and I've done whatever I needed to do to make this look, you know, a little bit better, but you really don't even have to do much. I only cut out like one little small piece, and then I use my mousse, and that's it. All right, so this is literally like a 2-minute, 1-minute hairstyle, okay, and it is super cute. I really think that this is cute. So just to go ahead and give you guys more information, it's super comfortable on my head, like it's not too tight or anything like that. And of course that's going to depend on your real hair and how you have your hair braided, you know, underneath or whatever, but it's not tight at all on my head. It's very comfortable. You know, I don't feel like I'm going to end up with a headache or anything like that. Again, the hair is pretty quality hair. It's Japanese synthetic hair again, and it's not shiny or anything. I got up close to show you guys the texture of the hair, so it doesn't have that shine or anything like that. So that is awesome. As I was running my fingers through the hair, I didn't get any shedding, I didn't get any tangling. I definitely think that this is a good product for those of us who are natural and don't feel like dealing with our hair, whether it's because it's just too much or because, you know, we're doing wig reviews and we just want to keep our hair, you know, in a way that we can just throw on a wig or whatever the case may be. I think that this is an excellent product for us because you can have a natural hairstyle with no fuss, and then you still can have your hair protected and, you know, put away underneath. So I think that this is a really good product, and I would definitely consider buying maybe another one of their items. So yeah, if you guys are interested in purchasing this product, there's going to be a link in the description bar for you guys. You already know that if you have any questions or if you have any comments, feel free to leave those below. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.